Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking at the Nasdaq chart today, which was from Friday, March 21, and the setup that we are looking for is a 1, 2, 3 setup, which I will just show you how that forms, so you get an idea what kind of setup we're looking at and how it's going to form to give us our trade. So let's see what happens. See, we got our change of character here, and that gives us our 1, which is over here, and also it gives us our 2. With this pullback of this candle, we got our 2. So now what we should do, there's an imbalance here, as you can see. Maybe it's visible to your eyes, maybe not, but there is an imbalance here that is tapped into this one. I can get my arrow in here. Oops, let's try again. Yeah, there's an imbalance right there that is tapped into and pushing away, and that's given us, we've got our 1 over here. Where did our 1 disappear? Yeah, this is our 1. Around here we got our 2. We're looking for the 3, so here we should be taking a short trade, and we basically put our sell around here with our stop normally behind the 2, or I would encourage to take it behind this candle. Looks like slightly bigger stop, but actually if you put it just behind the 2, you get a tighter stop, but then the market could just reverse back and take you out. It's really up to you how you play that. And our target is to the left. We're targeting this wick on the left, 48 ticks or 12 points. So let's see how this plays out. Let's see if this plays out. There you go. One candle played it really. I mean, that trade played out. Boom. We are out. Let's just play it forward. See if the market comes back, and there you go. Clear cut winner. You could have taken more, but that's the first target. After that, we can look for secondary targets, but that's really our setup in total. Okay, so we got 12 points in the Nasdaq. That translates, if you use the spot, if you do the spot Forex market, then that's like saying that you have 12 pips. If you do the futures market, you're looking at, if you got a 1 micro contract, let's say if you got 2 micro contracts on there, that's $48 for 2 micro contracts. If it's 1 micro, then you're looking at $0.50 for a tick, and I believe it's $2 for a point. So $24 trade for 1 micro, $48 for 2 micros. Very easy trade setup, very easy to recognize. We used the necessary tools that we have, and we were able to make this easy win. And you get several of these setups happening in the day, several. So this channel is designed for education purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. If you wish to join my live feed, please connect with me through email, and the email address will be given in the channel, in the description. simalt90@onmail.com, and by all means contact me, and I can give you the details on how to join the live feed. There is a subscription, and it is going at a discount. Presently the monthly charge is $50, normally $75, and there's a discount of $25, so at $50 right now. We joined the market around 10:30, and you get, from me you'll get at least one trade setup a day, and that subscription fee that you're gonna pay, you're gonna make that in one trade, and then the rest is your bonus. So that's the kind of quality setups you're going to see in this channel, and there's no need for any BS and waste of time. And we don't need to run a feed for 6 hours to pick a trade. I trade mainly on the 1 minute chart. We're getting trade setups every 10 to 15 minutes. There's a maybe sometimes earlier there's a trade setup. Between 10 to 15 minutes there's a new trade setup. So that's how we work our trades. I do go down to the 5-second chart, but I can't show you a 5-second chart on Nasdaq because I don't have the 5-second chart on the Nasdaq. I can show you the minute chart, but for 5-second I don't have my other platform don't show me the 5-second either. For that I have to go to another platform and do a 5-second chart. But again, it's not necessary, because the same setup plays on 5-second, that plays on 1 minute, that plays on 30 minutes, 1 hour, etc. You get my gist. Have a wonderful evening. Take care. Peace.